to my pot. I'm going to add in some chopped bacon, and I'm going to let it fry until it gets crispy brown. My bacon is all crispy. It's ready to come out. In that same pot, I'm going to add my hamburger meat. And my onion, celery, and carrot. I'm going to add a little salt and pepper and some hamburger seasoning. Now that my hamburger meat is brown, I'm going to add in my garlic. After a minute or two after I added in the garlic, let the garlic cook, and then I'm adding in my flour, my mustard powder, and my paprika. And you're gonna let that cook until all the flour is kind of dissolved and you don't see the flour anymore. Just get it stirred up real good. After about a minute or two, I'm going in with my chicken broth and my water. Now that I have a simmer, I'm going to go ahead and add my potatoes. Add the potatoes and let it cook uncovered about 10 to 12 minutes until the potatoes get a little tender. After 12 minutes or your potatoes have gotten soft, you're going to cut off your stove. Cut off your stove, and you're going to add in your sour cream, and your heavy creamer. And you're going to go ahead and add in your cheese. Hey, PattyKakes here. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. Set it to all so you'll never miss a PattyKakes recipe. Thank you for supporting our kitchen.